Hi everyone, I'm Whitney from Sugar and Sparrow, and today I'm showing you how to make these super cute party animal cake toppers. I made these for my littlest son's smash cake, and I still can't get over how adorable they are, and they're so simple to make. All you need is some colorful cardstock, animal figurines, a hot glue gun, mini pom-poms, and a piece of scratch paper along with scissors and a pencil. I started by making a template for the mini party hats using scratch paper, and I totally eyeballed this part, but to save you any guesswork, I do have a printable template available on my blog post linked in the video description below. This is the general shape you'll want to use as a template. I rolled it into a cone shape and tested it out on one of the animal figurines to make sure it was a good size. Once I had the perfect template, I got to work tracing it onto the cardstock and cutting out the shapes. One by one, I rolled the cardstock into a cone shape and sealed it with some hot glue. The glue dries super fast, so you can quickly move on to adding the pom-poms on top. Add a dab of hot glue and press a pom-pom right on. Once your mini party hats are ready, add a dab of glue on top of your animal figurine and attach the hat. Now, all that's left to do is place the party animal toppers on your cake and marvel at how cute they are. This tutorial will work with any animal figurines, but I'll link the baby farm animals and all the supplies I'm using below. They turned out exactly how I'd hoped, and the cake was such a hit. If you want more tutorials like this one, or to learn more about cake baking and decorating, be sure to hit the subscribe button on my YouTube page so you never miss a new video from me. Check out my blog at sugarandsparrow.com for my favorite recipes, baking tips, decorating tutorials, and so much more. I also wrote a book called Anyone Can Cake, which is an all-encompassing guide on how to bake, build, and decorate perfect layer cakes. Find it wherever books are sold worldwide, and I'll also link it in the video description below. Thanks for watching.